Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. After that, your company send you in there. After that, your company send you there, right? Then, do you wanna settle in Saudi Arabia? Do you wanna settle in there, or do you wanna come back? Oh, okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. Oh. Mm-hmm. Okay, because you are a skillful person, you get so many, anyone can hire you, right? Because you are a skillful person. Any company, they know you and you send your resume, they read everything because you have a experience, right? That's why people hire experienced people, right? Because they don't want to trend a new person, they take a new person also, but maximum they take a skillful person, right? Experience lead their grow their company, right? Apart from Saudi Arabia, which country have you visited? Apart from Saudi Arabia, which country have you visited? आई आस्क्ड यू, मैं सऊदी अरेबिया के छोड़ के डिफरेंट कंट्री आप घूम घूम ओके इन भूटान ओके ओके or 2019 you went to Bhutan and you work in there and you collected experience also in there, right? You have enough knowledge about your work, right? That's why people they want to hire you, right? I think right, right, right. That's why you don't want to. Of Indian salary is so low because if you work here, then you have to pay also in income tax, right? But Dubai, in Saudi Arabia, they never take income tax. I heard. Is it true or not? I don't know. But if anyone wants to set up their business, then they grow within short period because they never give income tax to government. But if you set up, right, right. That's why Indian they went there and they grow their company, right? Because the Indian people set up right, right. And if right, right, hmm, hmm, less, right, right. That's why people they want to set up their business in Dubai and that Saudi Arabia and Qatar, Kuwait, right? They set up their business. They are means girls also they set up their business and their husband working in there, right? Because they don't have to pay any kind of income tax or any kind of. They do it properly documentation. It's enough, right? That's why people they do it. But if you set up in India any business, because we have to pay income tax or tax, GST, everything. Because, hmm, GST is central government tax, right? Right, right. Tax. If you buy something, because you know whatever you are using morning to evening, you have to pay tax, right? Directly, indirectly. Because that tax help to economical grow in our country, and government take initiative in favor of low poverty people. That's why our country is a different, their rule regulation country, their country is a different rule regulation, right? Right. You have to obey in there, right? Otherwise you will punish by them, right? Yeah, but India is not like. Mhm. Right. That's why people, yeah, that's why female also go there, means home made people. Indian people are made in there, right? Yeah, they are work at home or everything because they stay peacefully in there because due to their strong rule regulation, right? But India, we get within 5 minutes we get a incident on unexpected situation within India, right? That is a different because it is also rule regulation also different, and their culture also different, right? And people they obey that means rule regulation. But India is a, even though if you go on the road by vehicle, then also you get so many incident or accident, right? People they no never obey, they are they never follow any kind of guideline or anything. It will take. Pardon? Right, right, right. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Mm-hmm. 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 Okay. First of all, right. They take means they never take theory class, but they take practical class. It's okay because the mediator in there they approve. Not exactly strong. Yeah. Right. 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 And do you wanna enhance your English speaking? Do you wanna enhance your English speaking? Do you wanna enhance your English speaking or do you wanna just interact with stranger? No, no, your English is good. How can you tell your English is not good? It's okay. Everyone makes mistake. But everyone makes mistake. It is not our first language, right? It will take time. But if we pardon, right, right. Mm-hmm. Right. Because if you get chance to interact with native people or different country people, then you have to talk with them in English, right? Simple. But mhm, okay. Indian and Pakistani. Okay, then you people communicate each other in Hindi, right? Okay, but if you connect with, pardon, I don't do anything. I have completed my graduation. I'm a language learner. I want to enhance my English speaking. That's why I'm using this platform.